Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A52s. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable floating shutter button. Firstly, enter camera and go to settings. Scroll down and enter shooting methods. Press this button to enable floating shutter button. Go back, and as you can see, right now we've got floating shutter button on the screen. To disable it, again go to settings, shooting methods, and press button next to floating shutter button, or drag this button right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.